Very good morning. Today is January 26th and we are celebrating Republic Day. So we have a special speech ready from our Euro Junior kid, Dhriti. I would like to welcome Dhriti on the stage for a speech on a Republic Day. Give her a big round of applause, please.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Dhriti. I'm studying in Euro Junior in Euro Kids, Singapore. Respected parents, grandparents, and my dear friends. Today is a Republic Day. It's a very special day for our country, India. On this day, 26 January 1950, India got its constitution. From this day, India became republic. It's day to feel proud of being an Indian. Let us promise to be a good citizen and make our country proud. Jai Hind, thank you.
Thank you, Dhriti. Give her a big round of applause. So now let's stand up for the national anthem. Please, I would request everyone to stand near your place itself.
पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल वंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उत्कल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हिंद।
बोलो भारत माता की बोलो भारत माता की जोर से बोलो भारत माता की
Thank you, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, dear parents, grandparents, family members, namaste, and a very warm welcome to one and all present here. I greet everyone present here to the most awaited annual event of the year at EuroKids Singapore branch. Welcome to one and all most awaited and highlighted event of the academic year. This is not only an encouraging experience but also an exhilarating one to see such great support. Thank you all. We roll down our red carpet to welcome one and all dignitaries, parents, invitees, well-wishers and friends. Let's begin the event with the traditional lamp lighting ceremony. Today we are here to celebrate Annual Day and we treat our children are our chief guests for this event. Our children are our priority and we are all here to witness the splendid performance from our tiny tots. I would request any few grandparents to come out on the stage to light up the lamp. Please.
शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापं सन्ध्यादीपनमोऽस्तु ते शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः.
Please give them a big round of applause. Thank you, grandparents. We will be delighted to have our esteemed teachers grace to the stage with their voice and join us in making our annual day truly special by singing the song that reflect the spirit of togetherness and celebration. I would like to call Vani ma'am and Santoshi ma'am to the stage. Please put your hands together and welcome them.
ಜೋಗದ ಸಿರಿ ಬೆಳಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಗೆಯ ತೆನೆ ಬಳುಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ್ಯಾದ್ರಿಯ ಲೋಹಗದಿರ ಉತ್ತುಂಗದ ನಿಲುಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿತ್ಯ ಹರಿದ್ವರ್ಣವನದ ತೇಗ ಗಂಧ ತರುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ತಾಯಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ನಿನಗೆ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ತಾಯಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ಇತಿಹಾಸದ ಹಿಮದಲ್ಲಿನ ಸಿಂಹಾಸನ ಮಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗತ ಸಾಹಸ ಸಾರುತ್ತಿರುವ ಶಾಸನಗಳ ಸಾಲಿನ ಇತಿಹಾಸದ ಹಿಮದಲ್ಲಿನ ಸಿಂಹಾಸನ ಮಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗತ ಸಾಹಸ ಸಾರುತ್ತಿರುವ ಶಾಸನಗಳ ಸಾಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಓಲೆಗರಿಯ ಸಿರಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ದೇಗುಲಗಳ ಬಿತಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ತಾಯಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ನಿನಗೆ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ತಾಯಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ಹಲವೆನ್ನದ ಹಿರಿಮೆಯೇ ಕುಲವೆನ್ನದ ಗರಿಮೆಯೇ ಸದ್ವಿಕಾಸಶೀಲ ನುಡಿಯ ಲೋಕಾಮೃತ ಸೀಮೆಯೇ ಹಲವೆನ್ನದ ಹಿರಿಮೆಯೇ ಕುಲವೆನ್ನದ ಗರಿಮೆಯೇ ಸದ್ವಿಕಾಸಶೀಲ ನುಡಿಯ ಲೋಕಾಮೃತ ಸೀಮೆಯೇ ಈ ವತ್ಸರ ನಿರ್ಮತ್ಸರ ಮನದುದಾರ ಮಹಿಮೆಯೇ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ತಾಯಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ನಿನಗೆ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ತಾಯಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ಜೋಗದ ಸಿರಿ ಬೆಳಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಗೆಯ ತೆನೆ ಬಳುಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ್ಯಾದ್ರಿಯ ಲೋಹದರಿದರ ಉತ್ತುಂಗದ ನಿಲುಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿತ್ಯ ಹರಿದ್ವರ್ಣವನದ ತೇಗ ಗಂಧ ತರುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ತಾಯಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ನಿನಗೆ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ತಾಯಿ ನಿತ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Santoshi ma'am and Vani ma'am, for your melodious song which gave a good start to the event. I would like to call Adira from Playgroup for a shloka. Please put your hands together and welcome her.
Good morning. My name is Adirashi. I'm starting in Eurokids, Singapore. I got Salyal Sloka. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva, Maheshwara. Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurve Namaha. Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kaparupiji Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhi Bhavatu Me Sada.
Thank you, Adira. Now I would like to call Mrs. Rupashri ma'am, our center head, to come and share few words with our dear parents. Please welcome her. Give her a big round of applause.
So, hi everyone. So, welcome you all for the first annual day of Eurokids Singapore. I welcome you, my dear parents, respected teachers, and my beloved students. It's my privilege and honor to welcome you all for this great success which we have come across for the entire year. So, annual day is not just a celebration which we have, doing it. So, it is the day of joy, the pride and whatever we have accomplished for our little children. So I would like to thank our esteemed teachers for their dedication and their hard work beyond the classrooms in nurturing your children. And I would like to thank the non-teaching staff for their dedication for caring the children as their own. And also I would thank to the beloved parents. With your support, we are here today. And the trust which you had in us for nurturing your children, we are standing here today with our, the esteemed children which they have nurtured very well, and they have excelled in all the activities apart from the curriculum. So I welcome you all for this event, and let's enjoy the show the way we have trained our children for the entire event. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for your support and cooperation. So I would like to present the annual report for the entire year which we have accomplished, and I would like to have a look on the annual report. This is the first day of our school. And parent orientation program, where we connected with the parents to understand and how the approach we implement in our school. This is the fun room memories for the scientific thinking. So the children are learning the air concepts by blowing the balloon with a bottle on the scientific thinking. This is on the fun room memories on the mathematics. And on the language and literacy. Fun room memories on the wow cards. This is on the mindful plus activity which we have conducted. The takeaway is lot. We have Eurofit. We have yoga. We have the gallery walk for the fruits, vegetables, animals. So these are the gallery walks which were conducted inside school. The fruits market. And we have animals gallery walk. We came across the gallery walk for the family role play. The My Home tour, and we celebrated Colors Day as the part of mathematics. We have created a mobile awareness usage drive inside the premises, and we conducted mock fire drill for the all programs, playgroup, nursery and EJ. We had birthday celebrations. We had field trips. We had been to GKVK. We had been to aquarium. We had been to Adishwar. We had been to Bus Depot for nursery. The Goshala, which we had recently been, and the fruits and vegetable market for nursery and playgroup. We had a Father's Day celebration, which was a very great event where all the fathers enjoyed. We had yoga session also along with the fathers. We had Grandparents' Day. And we had the annual Health as Well today. We had Krishna Janmashtami and all the festival celebrations on the going forward slides. Dasra and Deepavali. And we had the year-end Christmas party. So thank you, my dear parents. This is my annual report for the entire year. And I have taken an extra cautious that I cover all my children in any one of the slide. Please don't mind if any of the child is missed in the slide. So it was like a very long time I have concentrated on each and every child so that one of the child will be covered in any of the slide. And this is what we are today for with your great support. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. That was indeed motivating now. Please give her a big round of applause. Now let's begin the program. I know you are all waiting. This morning belongs to you and your children, the children who have put their heart and soul for the last 1 month for this event look possible. You can expect an extravagant and entertaining day ahead. The children's performance shall definitely leave you mesmerized. So please keep the thunders of clap big for each and every act. Now we have something truly special for you. Our three wonderful teachers who work so hard to guide and inspire their students every day to showcase their hidden talents. Get ready to be amazed, entertained, and inspired as they take the stage. This performance is a celebration of a joy, teamwork, and a spirit of togetherness and dedication to our country. So let's give them a big round of applause and cheer loudly as our incredible teachers present their existing dance performance. Enjoy the show.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
यहाँ हर कदम कदम पे धरती बदले रंग, यहाँ की बोली में रंगोली सात रंग। यहाँ हर कदम कदम पे धरती बदले रंग, यहाँ की बोली में रंगोली सात रंग। धानी पगड़ी पहने मौसम है, नीली चादर तारे अंबर है, नदी सुनहरी हरा समंदर है, देश गीला देश रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला।
Audience, give them applause.
रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला देश रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला देश रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला। रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला देश रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला देश रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला देश रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला।
A big round of applause for the teachers. Thank you so much, teachers, for your mesmerizing dance performance, which not only showcased your dedication and creativity, but also an unforgettable charm to our celebration. Thank you very much.
Up next, we have our wonderful Aero Junior children, ready to light up their stage with their sweet voice and beautiful smiles. They have been practicing with so much love and dedication. Now it's their time to shine and spread happiness through their song. So let's welcome them with a big round of applause and all hearts open. Please put your hands together and welcome them. I can't hear. Louder. They can't hear your claps, it seems, so it is not opening. Please cheer them with your voice. Encourage them. Yay!
ಹೂವಲ್ಲಿದೇನೋ ಗುರಿ ಕತ್ತರೇನೋ ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇನೋ ಹಾರಿ ಮುಟ್ಟರೇನೋ ಆ ದೈವದಾನೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಹೇ ಸಾರದೆ ದಯಪಾಲಿಸು ನೀ ಬಾಲನು ಬಲಕರಿಸು ನಾಲೆಗಳ ದಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬಿಕೆಯಲಾಗಿಸು ಉನ್ನರಸು ಐದುದು ನಾರು ಪಗಪಗಲ ಸಂತರಿಸು ಹೂವಲ್ಲಿದೇನೋ ಗುರಿ ಕತ್ತರೇನು ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆನೋ ಹರಿಮುಟ್ಟದೇನು ಆ ದೇವರ ನೆನೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಹೇ ಶಾರದೆ ದಯ ಪಾಲಿಸು
Please encourage them.
ಈ ಬಾಲನು ಬೆಳಕಾಗಿಸು ಹೇ ಶಾರದೆ
ನಾಟ್ಯ ಅನ್ನೋದು
ನಾಟ್ಯ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಾದಾಂತರಂಗನೆ
ನಾದ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಭಾವಾಂತರಂಗನೇ ಶಿಲೆಯಿಂದ ತಾನೇ
ಕಲೆಗೆ ಮರ್ತಿ ಕಲೆಯಿಂದ ಶಿಲೆಗೆ ಕುಂಚಾರತಿ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಅವನಾರತಿ ತಾನೇ ಸುಖ ಸಮ್ಮತಿ ಇಲಕ ವಿಲಕ ಭೂಮಿ ತಂದನೆನಿರುವ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಪಲಂಗೆ ಪತ್ನಿ ಜೀವಂತ ಸೇ ಹೇ ಶಾರದೆ ದಯ ಪಾಲಿಸು ಈ ಬಾಲನು ಬೆಳಕಾಗಿಸು ನಾನು ಶಾರದೆ
Wow. Please put your hands together. Now I would like to call Charvi and Ekakshara to welcome you all to the stage. Please put your hands and welcome them.
Hi, Ekakshava. Hi, Chavi. How are you? I'm fine. How are you? I'm fine too. Do you know why we're here today? Yes, of course. Today we're celebrating our first annual day program. Are you excited? Yes, I am. My name is Ekashara. I study in Euro Junior and Euro Kids Singapore. My name is Chavi. I am studying in Euro Junior and Euro Kids Singapore. We welcome you on behalf of Euro Kids family and their first annual day program. It's an honor to have this beautiful audience gathered here. Thank you all for giving your valuable time.
Please put your hands together for Ekakshara and Chavi. Thank you, Ekakshara and Chavi. Now, our little children want to welcome their playgroup kids for the dance performance. I would like to call Jashika to the stage to welcome her friends. Please encourage her.
Let us begin with our happy teddy tots. Welcoming you all for the dance. Better when I'm dancing.
Thank you, Jashika. Please give a big round of applause for her try. Now we have our playgroup kids for the dance performance.
So we have Adirashri, Nanvi, Nimalan, Parikshit, Yukti, Satvik on stage.
Come on, claps.
Don't think about it, just move your body. Listen to the music, sing oh yeah oh. Just move those left feet, go ahead get crazy. Anyone can do it, sing oh yeah oh. Show the world you got that fire. Feel the rhythm getting louder. Show the room what you can do, prove to them you got the moves. I don't know about you, but I feel better when I'm dancing. Yeah, yeah. I'm better when I'm dancing.
Woo! Come on,
Yeah,
hear them.
And we can do this together. I bet you feel better when you're dancing. Yeah, yeah. When you finally let go and you say that solo, 'cause you listen to that music, sing it oh, hey, oh, 'cause you're coming better when I'm dancing. Yeah, yeah.
Claps, claps.
Better when I'm dancing. Yeah, yeah. Oh, and we can do this together. I bet you feel better when you're dancing. Yeah, I feel better when I'm dancing. I'm better when I'm dancing. Hey, oh yeah. I feel better when I'm dancing. Yeah, yeah. Better when I'm dancing. Yeah, yeah. Don't you know we can do this together? Bet you feel better when you're dancing. Yeah, I feel better when I'm dancing. I'm better when I'm dancing. Hey, feel better when I'm. Yeah, yeah.
Yay! Cheer them, please.
Tú le peras con la papaya.
No digáis nada, no os entendería.
¡Se la banana! Oh.
Please put your hands together. Well, encourage them.
Tú le peras con la papaya. ¡Se la banana!
Yay! How was the performance? You didn't like it? Please, some more sound. Thank you, children. I would request to stand for the photo. Thank you, children. Please give them a big round of applause.
Thank you, friends. Give them a round of applause.
So your children is asking for the round of applause. It should be loud.
Hi, guys. My name is Handwi. Today is my day. Eagle are waiting. See little feet for song for corn.
Yay! So we are eagerly waiting for the song Rock On.
Thank you, Anvik and Isabella. Now we have our second group of playgroup kids. I would like to welcome Ishan Verma, Vedant, Mitran, Danvi, Parthavi, Waziha. Please put your hands together and welcome them, or else the curtain will not open. Come on!
Buddy, you're a boy, make a big noise, playing in the street, gonna be a big man someday. You got mud on your face, you big disgrace, kicking your can all over the place, singing.
We will rock you.
We will rock you. Buddy, you're a young man, hard man, shouting in the street, gonna take on the world someday. You got blood on your face, a big disgrace, waving your banner all over the place. We will rock you. Sing it. We will rock you. Buddy, you're an old man, poor man, pleading with your eyes, gonna make you zombie someday. You got mud on your face, big disgrace. Somebody better put your bag into your place. We will rock you. Sing it. We will rock
Cheer them.
everybody. We will rock you. We will rock you. All right.
Parthavi, come on, dance, Parthavi.
I like the moving. I like the moving. I like the moving. We like the moving. I like the moving. She like the moving. He like the moving. We like the keep on jumping off the floor, dancing till your feet to soar. Party hard just like it's Mardi Gras, 'cause that's what life is for. And we don't party hardly, we just party hard. And not because we bored, we party 'cause we born apart. That's why I keep on, yes, that's why I keep on, yes, that's why I keep on doing what I'm doing, y'all. I like the moving. I like the moving. I like the moving. We like the moving. I like the moving. She like the moving. He like the moving. We like the moving. I like the body. He like the body. They like the body. We like the body. She like to shake it. She like to shake it. He like to shake it. Yeah. Somebody say yeah. Say yeah. Back it up. Back it up. Give me room, cuz. We like the body. We like the body. We like the body. We like to party. We like to move it. He like to move it. They like to move it.
Yay! I hope everyone enjoyed the dance. Please, once again, give them a big round of applause for their efforts. Now I would request all the kids to come for the photo. Thank you so much. Now we have Rutwan to welcome their friends for the next dance. Please welcome with a big round of applause for the Rutwan.
Take the stage. Let us to join them to celebrate the spirit of freedom and dreams. Wow, that's so high, like a waving flag. Thank you.
Give them a big round of applause for his effort. Let's do some magic. It's not opening. Shall we? T, boom, ba. It's open.
fire. Give me reason, take me higher. See the champion, take the field now. Unify us, make us feel proud. In the streets our heads are lifting. As we lose our inhibition, celebration, it surrounds us. Every nation, all around us, singing forever young. Singing songs underneath the sun. Let's rejoice in the beautiful game. Let's be together at the end of the day. We all say, when I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag. I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag. So wave your flag, now wave your flag, now wave your flag. Give you freedom, give you fire, give you reason, take you higher. See the champion, take the field down. Unify us, make us feel proud. In the streets our heads are lifting. As we lose our inhibition, celebration, it surrounds us. Every nation, all around us, singing forever young. Singing songs underneath the sun. Let's rejoice in the beautiful game.
Cheer them, please cheer them.
We all say, when I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag. I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag. So wave your flag, now 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 wave your flag, wave your flag. We all say, when I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag. I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag. So wave your flag, now 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 wave your flag, wave your flag. And everybody will be singing it. And we all will be singing it.
Hey, please give them a big round of applause. It was really awesome. I hope everyone enjoyed the program. Thank you, David, Maurya, Anvik, Ronit, Lekshana, Tarushi, Harsha, and Tasha. I will request everyone to stand for the photo. Now we have planned some games, fun games for the parents. I would like to call some nursery mothers. Please come on the stage and participate in the activity. David, Maurya, David mother, Maurya mother, please wave your hands. David mother, Maurya mother, Anvik, Ronit, Lekshana, Harsha, Tasha, Rutvan, Panchajanya. Please. Please. We have some fun activities. Please, I would request all the mothers. Encourage them, clap for them.
Hi! Hi! Good morning! Good morning! No energy? Didn't have breakfast? Good morning! Good. Now we have planned some task for these parents. Are you all ready? Yes? Yes? Good.
Oh, my name is Lata. I am Tasha's mom. I'm sorry. I'm Sahana, Maurya's mom.
Hi, my name is Rupa, Rutwan's mother. Supriya, Divit mother.
Hi, my name is Ramya. I'm Lekshana's mother.
I'm Apurva, Panchajanya's mother.
Actually, now you're introducing your child and then you're telling your name. Wow. It has much fun, right? Yes, thank you. See, we have planned some games. You can just go that side. We have planned some games. You should light the candle and stick on this table. Okay? First, light the candle. Everyone take a candle and light it. Parents, cheer up! Cheer up, parents! Light the candle, stick it on the table. Careful. Cheer up! Cheer up! Much fun, right? Huh? Are you excited? You know what is the game? You all know what is the game? No? Okay, I'll tell you. Everyone got the candle? Yes. Everybody take a matchstick. Take a matchstick on your left hand. Take a matchstick on your left hand. Only the stick. Only the stick. Unburned stick. Only one stick. You will light the stick on your left hand. On your right hand, you will put the candle. You will put the bangle inside the candle. Okay? Upon the candle. You will take a bangle.
So it is like I light the stick. Until the stick burns out, you have to start putting the bangles. The more number the bangles you put, she'll be the winner. And I have a surprise gift for you all, whoever wins the task, okay? So clear, everyone? So you have to light the stick. Until the stick burns out, on the right hand, you have to start placing the bangles. Yeah? Ready?
Ready? 1,
3, 2, 1. Go, fast.
clap for them.
Parents, cheer up. Cheer up your friends. No, one bangle at a time. One bangle at a time. You should hold the matchstick like this. Hold the matchstick like this. Yes. That's it. Yes. Okay. Good job, parents. Give a round of applause. Prize will be distributed in the end. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you for your cooperation. Now we have Sanidhya to thank her friends for the last performance. Please put your hands and welcome Sanidhya to the stage.
Hi everyone. It was really awesome. Thank you for your dance performance.
Thank you, Sanidhya. All right, ladies and gentlemen. It's time to a very special performance. We have a beautiful, lovely song coming up called Senorita. And we would love to welcome a very talented to help it, bring it to our life. Rutwan, Panchajanya, Naksh, Purna, Suvigya, Lishita. Are you all ready to join us on the stage? Let's give them a big round of applause as they come to perform for us. Are you all ready? On a count of 3. 3, 2, 2, 1. Yes, claps.
¿Quién eres tú? ¿Dónde has estado? He removido cielo y tierra y no te encontré. Y llegas hoy tan de repente y da sentido a toda mi vida con tu querer.
ना मैं समझा ना मैं जाना जो भी तुमने मुझसे कहा है सेन्योरिटा, मगर फिर भी न जाने क्यों मुझे सुन के अच्छा लगा है।
Please clap, encourage them. Come on, come on kids, come on, pass it Sonia, do it.
Quédate cerca de mí.
मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो, समझी ना सेन्योरिटा।
चाहत के दो पल भी मिल पाए दुनिया में ये भी कम है।
Yay, please encourage them, clap for them.
खो जाए भूले हम होता हम है क्या सेन्योरिटा, सुनो सुनो सेन्योरिटा कहते हैं हम क्या।
Jamás podré interpretar el sentido de las palabras que me dedicas, pero el calor de tu mirar me hace sentir como la más bella señorita.
निगाहों ने निगाहों से कहीं अरमानों की दास्तां है सेन्योरिटा। ये चाहत की मोहब्बत की सारी दुनिया में एक ही जुबान है सेन्योरिटा। मुझसे अब नजर ना फेरो, आओ पास तुम मेरे, मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो, समझी ना सेन्योरिटा।
चाहत के दो पल भी मिल पाए दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या। दो पल को तो आओ खो जाए भूले हम होता हम है क्या सेन्योरिटा, सुनो सुनो सेन्योरिटा कहते हैं हम क्या। जो भी पल बीता हे सेन्योरिटा, हर पल तुमने है दिल जीता, बस इतनी सी तो बात है।
No desvíes la mirada, quédate cerca de mí.
मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो, समझी ना सेन्योरिटा।
चाहत के दो पल भी मिल पाए दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या। दो पल को तो आओ खो जाए भूले हम होता हम है क्या। चाहत के दो पल भी मिल पाए दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या। दो पल को तो आओ खो जाए भूले हम होता हम है क्या।
Wow, what a lovely couple dance. Please put your hands together. Give them a big round of applause.
I love watching you dance. You brought so much energy and joy. Thank you.
Thank you, Thank you, Tasha. Now we have one more game. So I request some more mothers to come for the stage and have some fun. Now it's time to turn up the energy with the super fun and upbeat song Avi Avi. And guess what? We have a superstar joining us on the stage for this performance. Let's give them a huge round of applause for our nursery kids, Daivik, Ayur, Prayansh, Laksh, Adya, Amrita, Isabella, Gehenna. Please put your hands together and welcome them. Your film stars are here. Next heroes are here on the stage. You have to encourage them. How you are going to encourage in the movies? Please, come on, shout. Your heroes are here. Your heroines are here. Encourage them. On a count of 3, 3, 2, 1.
So we have Daivik, who is Hadya's partner, is absent because of health issues. So,
Yes, clap for them. Encourage them. Cheer them. Come on, clap.
ਅੱਖਾਂ ਦੇ ਕਟੋਰੇ ਸੁਰਮਾ ਬਟੋਰੇ ਲੱਗਦੇ ਚਿਚੋੜੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਦਿਲ ਪੇ ਦਰਾਤੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਚੱਲ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਮਾਰੇ ਦਿਲ ਗੁਲਾਟੀ ਪੁੱਛ ਵਾਏ ਵਾਏ
Clap for them.
ਸੁਰਮਾ ਬਟੋਰੇ ਲੱਗਦੇ ਚਿਚੋੜੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਹਾਏ ਹਾਏ ਦਿਲ ਪੇ ਦਰਾਤੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਚੱਲ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਮਾਰੇ ਦਿਲ ਗੁਲਾਟੀ ਪੁੱਛ ਵਾਏ ਵਾਏ ਚਾਹੇ ਮੈਂ ਡੂਬਾ ਵੇ ਸਿੱਟ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਐਵੇਂ 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 ਲੁੱਟ 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 ਗਿਆ हट रंग कोड़े नीम के पकौड़े पीछा के न छोड़े घूमे दाएं बाएं तुझको सुधारूं जुत्ती मैं उतारूं सर पे दे मारूं तेरे दाएं दाएं रोमियो बिना परमिट हो गया तू तो एवे 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 लुट गया तू तो एवे 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 लुट गया ओ तू तो एवे 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 लुट गया तू तो एवे 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 लुट गया
Wow, what a performance. Please give them a big round of applause. I will request all the kids to come forward and take a photo. Next, we have a rising star among us who all set to dazzle us with their remix dance moves. Let's give a warm and thunderous round of applause as we welcome our nursery kids Riyan, Yuvan, Mohit, Lekshana, Tarushi, Daksh, Harsha. Please put your hands together and welcome them. With some more energy. Okay, shall we play some game? Tongue twister? Shall I? Can we try? A tongue twister? Please, I am requesting, please. Anyone? Why no? A tongue twister. Shall we? A simple one. Tarikere eri mele muru kari kuri mari meitittu. One of the parent is ready. Please, ma'am. Tarikere eri mele muru kari kuri mari meitittu. A simple one. Try. Tarikere eri mele muru kari kuri mari meitittu. Like this, fastly.
Tarikere muru kere meitittu.
Try, ma'am. Yum. Try. Tarikere eri mele
Tarikere eri mele
muru kari kuri mari
muru keri kuri mari
meitittu. 10 times continuously. Try. Please, once. Please encourage her. Can anyone try? Yeah, one more parent is ready.
Shruti.
Please encourage for Shruti, ma'am.
Tarikari eri mele muru kari kuri mari meitittu. 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 Tarikari eri mele muru kari kuri mari meitittu.
Wow. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. One more tongue twister. Yeah, yes, please. Your name?
Hey, this
Your
one
name?
is easy for me.
I'll give one more. Shall I? Kempu kunkuma, kappu kunkuma. Try it. It is also easy.
ಕೆಂಪು ಕುಂಕುಮ ಕಪ್ಪು
10
ಕುಂಕುಮ
times.
ಕೆಂಪು ಕುಂಕುಮ ಕಪ್ಪು
Faster.
ಕುಂಕುಮ ಕೆಂಪು ಕುಂಕುಮ ಕಪ್ಪು ಕುಂಕುಮ
Fast.
ಕೆಂಪು ಕುಂಕುಮ ಕಪ್ಪು ಕುಂಕುಮ 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 ಕೆಂಪು ಕುಂಕುಮ ಕಪ್ಪು ಕುಂಕುಮ.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. 3, 2, 2. I can't hear. 2. No. 2. My voice is only louder. 2. 1. Give them a big round of applause. Yes. Shout for your heroes and heroines.
Like that. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Báilame como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese pasito que no sé, un besito bien suavecito, bebé. Taqui, 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 rumba. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. High music, high flows.
नाचो मिट्टी जो तो रोट मोटा मिर्चा खा के ऐसे नाचो हाँ जा छोरे हाँ जा गोरे हाँ जा छोरे नाचो 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 वीर नाचो 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 यार नाचो 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 कच्ची कैरी जैसा खट्टा नाचो.
Malama pita pita de, malama pita pita de, malama pita pita de, malama pita de, malama pita pita de,
Malama pita pita de.
malama pita pita de, malama pita.
अरे ये कसका ये कसका ये कसका
Clap, clap.
Shake it, Pushpavati. Shake it, Pushpavati. Shake it, Pushpavati.
Yay! I hope everyone enjoyed the dance. Wow. I request all the kids to come forward for the photo. Thank you, children. It was a spectacular performance. You have truly set the stage on fire with your energy, creativity, and stunning dance moves. Please give them a big round of applause. We have planned one more activity, fun activity. I would like to call Naksh Mother, Purna Mother, Suvigya, Lishita, Daivik, Ayur, Prayansh, Naksh, Purna, Suvigya, Lishita, Daivik, Ayur, Prayansh. Please encourage them. We have some fun activities. Please encourage them.
I am Chandni, Paryan's mother.
I'm Preeti, Ayur's mother. Sunita, Naksh mom. Annapurna. Annapurna Purna.
Please encourage them. We have one more fun activity. I would like to explain now. Please open the curtain. It's not opening. Please tell them to open the curtain. Say something to open. Any magical words? Apply some magical words. G, boom, bo. Try it. All parents. Try it. Hocus pocus. Please open the curtain. It's not opening. No energy. Come on, everyone. Louder, louder. They can't hear, so they are not opening. Come on. Try it. Try. Please. Everyone, join together and try it. Say G Boomba. G Boomba. It's not opening only. No, I told no. Together you have to tell.
G Boomba.
No sound. No sound. They can't hear. At the backstage who are sitting, they can't hear. It's working, sir. The energy is not there. They are asking for more. See, one voice is reaching to the backstage. You have 6. Come on.
No, it's enough.
G Boomba.
Yay! We have the next activity. Here you have a glass filled with the water and we are going to give a ball. You have to blow the ball from the first to the end. Okay? Ready? Are you all ready? Ready?
Blow it to the next glass. So they are making it full actually. The clever mothers are making the glasses full so that the ball rolls easily to the end.
Ready? On a count of 3, 2. Shall I? 3, 2. Shall we? 3, 2, 1. Come on. No. Try once again. Encourage them. Clap for them. Prayansh mom. Please give a hands together for the Prayansh mom who won the game. And come forward for the photo. Please put your hands together. It's time to sprinkle some charm and joy on the stage. We are about to groove to the delightful and magical beats of Zooby Dooby. Have you all heard this song, right? You know this song. Yeah, I want everyone to sing now. But this performance is going to be extra special because we have a superstars in the making, ready to make us smile and sway with their talents. Let's give them a big round of applause as we welcome Krishang, Arav. One more tongue twister. Can anyone try? Tongue twister? Of your own. You can tell of your own.
Betty bought a butter. Butter means bitter. Betty bought some more butter to make bitter butter better. Betty bought a butter.
Come on. Yes, sir. Try. 10 times.
Okay, 10 times. Okay, I'll try. Betty bought a butter. Butter was bitter. Betty bought some more butter to make bitter better better.
Faster.
Betty bought a butter. Butter was bitter. Butter was bitter. Betty bought some more butter to make bitter better better.
Okay, sir. Thank you. And I will request some of the couples to dance for the music or to sing a song for their wives. Please, for the second one. She want to try for the tongue twister. Encourage her.
Sampangappana maga mari sampangappa.
Ma'am, little faster.
Sampangappana maga mari sampangappa.
5 times, at least 5 times.
Maga mari sankambappa.
Sampangappa maga mari sampangappa.
Mari sampangappa.
Can anyone want to try this? Athlete parents. Sir. Yeah, Nanvi mother.
Yes. Sampangappana magamari sampangappa. 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 Sampangappana
Yay! Super.
Sampangappana magamari sampangappa. I think it's done.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Now, I would like to call Krishang, Arav, Chinta Shaurya, Purna, Suvigya, Lishita to the stage for the song Zooby Dooby. Encourage them, clap for them. Give them a big round of applause by welcoming. Ready? On a count of 3. Shall we count? 3, 2, 2, 1.
गुनगुनाती है ये हवा
please.
Zooby
Dooby zooby dooby bum para,
Zooby
dooby param pam.
Zooby dooby नाचे क्यों पागल stupid man.
Zooby dooby bum para, zooby dooby param pam.
Clap for them.
Zooby dooby नाचे क्यों पागल stupid man.
शाखों पे पत्ते गा रहे हैं, फूलों पे भंवरे गा रहे,
दीवाने किरणें गा रहे हैं, ये पंछी गा रहे।
वो बगिया में दो फूलों की हो रही है गुफ्तगू, जैसा फिल्मों में होता है हो रहा है हूबहू।
Ay, ay, ay.
Zooby dooby bum para, zooby dooby param pam.
Zooby dooby नाचे क्यों पागल stupid man. Zooby dooby bum para, zooby dooby param pam. Zooby dooby नाचे क्यों पागल stupid man.
रिम झिम सन 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 हवा, टिप 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 बूंदे गुर्राते बिजलियाँ।
भीगी भीगी साड़ी में यूं ठुमके लगाती तू, जैसा फिल्मों में होता है हो रहा है हूबहू।
आई 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 zooby dooby bum para, zooby dooby param pam.
Zooby dooby नाचे क्यों पागल stupid man. Zooby dooby bum para, zooby dooby param pam. Zooby dooby नाचे क्यों पागल stupid man.
Wow. Give them a big round of applause. It was a delightful performance. I would request all the kids to come forward for the photo. You guys have filled the stage with so much fun, joy, charm and energy through our amazing moves to Zooby Dooby. Give them a big round of applause. Encourage them, please. Fathers, Atulit father. Sir, please come on the stage. I know some of the names. Maurya's father. Sir, please, sir. Sir, please. Sir, please.
So all the young and energetic fathers will be on the stage. So now it's your call. Who is young and energetic can come on the stage.
Some more.
I'm Satish.
Sir, you are not young
I'm
and
Abhishwa's
energetic.
father.
Come.
I am Anil Kumar, Atulit's father.
I'm Ganesh, Adira's father.
Hello everyone, I am Shushant, Ishan's father.
Hello everyone, I am Parikshit's father.
I am Paramesh, Gehna father.
Nagendra Purna's Nagar.
I am Gopi, Nimalan's father.
Are you all ready? You know what is the task? You know what is the task? You're gonna dance with me.
You missed the chance to dance with her.
Ready? Yes? Yes, I'll join.
Clap for them.
Coming!
words. Thank you everyone for your cooperation.
Thank you very much for the good support, Shirley ma'am, and I would thank all the fathers here who joined Shirley ma'am for a dance. Thank you very much.
Give them a big round of applause. We are about to witness something truly heartwarming, a beautiful dance performance dedicated to all the amazing parents here. This special act is said to be a meaningful song that celebrates the love, care and sacrifice of parents who are always there to guide and support us. Our talented performers have worked hard to bring this dedication to life through their graceful moves and heartfelt expression. So let's hear them and enjoy this wonderful performance as a tribute to the incredible role parents plays in our lives. Let's give them a big round of applause as we welcome our Euro Junior kids, Charvi, Ekakshara, Dhriti, Destiny, Jashika, Sanidhya, Atulit and Adyan to the stage. I know you guys are waiting from 1 month. They have not revealed the song for you and this is a surprise for you all. I hope everyone will enjoy the show. 3, 2, 1.
ನೂರು ಸಾರಿ ಹೇಳಿದರು ನಾ ಆಸೆ ತೀರಲ್ಲ ಜನ್ಮ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಹಾಡಿದರು ನಾ ಪದವೇ ಮುಗಿಯಲ್ಲ ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮ ಐ ಲವ್ ಯು ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮ ಐ ಲವ್ ಯು ನೂರು ಸಾರಿ ಹೇಳಿದರು ನಾ ಆಸೆ ತೀರಲ್ಲ ಜನ್ಮ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಹಾಡಿದರು ನಾ ಪದವೇ ಮುಗಿಯಲ್ಲ ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮ ಐ ಲವ್ ಯು ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮ ಐ ಲವ್ ಯು ಸೈನ್ಸು ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸು ಪಾಠ ಕಲಿತೆ ತಲೆಯನ್ನುಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ನೀನೆ ನನಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ತಿಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ ಜಗವೇನೆ ನಿನ್ನಯ ಬಳ್ಳಲ್ಲಿ ಜನ್ಮವೆಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಯುವೆ ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿಸದ ಗೆಳೆತನ ಓ ಲವ್ಲಿ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಡಿಯರ್ सबके दिलों में अरमा ये है बैठे हैं मिलके सब यार अपने सबके दिलों में अरमा ये है वो जिंदगी में कल क्या बनेगा हर एक नजर का सपना ये है कोई इंजीनियर का काम करेगा बिजनेस में कोई अपना नाम करेगा मगर ये तो कोई न जाने ये मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा
Wow, what a beautiful and touching performance. You all poured your love and emotions into the song. It reminded us our special bond with the families and their parents. Thank you for your dedication. Your efforts not only touched our hearts, but also reminded us the family and keep spreading such joy and love throughout your journey.
Thank you, children. Give them a big round of applause. I hope everyone enjoyed. I would request our EJ couple parents to come on the stage. Euro Junior parents. Couples together. Sir, Jashika parents, Ekakshara parents, Destiny parents, Sanidhya parent, Atulit parent. Can you guess what's the game?
What might be the guess? I mean, for the game. No.
Not every time.
Not so easy. So, well,
No?
yeah, you guessed it right.
With little twist.
Dance
With little twist.
with a twist. Okay? So, we have a chart paper placed. You have to dance within this chart paper. Okay?
And when the music stops, you have to fold it. Again, the music is going to start. You have to dance in that sheet.
You
Again,
can
we are
remove
going
your
to-
slippers
The
that
scene
side.
continues.
And then join the stage. You have to fold the chart paper, then the chart paper gets shortened. So you have to dance within this short paper. When the music stops, you have to fold it again, and you will be like, maybe one person will be standing on the chart paper. The other person, it's your choice. Okay?
But both has to dance on chart sheet.
You may lift your wife. You may recall your old memories.
Are you guys ready? Shall we play the game? Are you all ready to watch? Please, sound. Encourage them. Dance.
¿Quién eres tú? ¿Dónde has estado? He removido cielo y tierra y no te encontré. Y llegas hoy tan de repente y das sentido toda mi vida con tu querer.
ना मैं समझा ना मैं जाना जो भी तुमने मुझसे कहा है सेन्योरिटा मगर फिर भी न जाने क्यों मुझे सुन के अच्छा लगा है सेन्योरिटा
No desvíes la mirada, quédate cerca de mí.
Make some noise for the beautiful couples out there.
समझी ना सेन्योरिटा
चाहत के दो पल भी मिल पाए दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या दो पल को तो आओ खो जाए
Now we have to fold the paper.
Next.
Now we have one more couple is going to join our Rupashri ma'am and Shashi sir on the stage. Please put your hands together and welcome them. Please, sir. Everyone fold it. You should not step out of the paper, sir. You are stepping out of the paper. Yeah, continue. Woo!
सुनो सेनोरिटा कहते हैं हम क्या
Jamás podré interpretar el sentido de las palabras que me dedicas, pero el calor de tu mirar me hace sentir como la más bella señorita.
निगाहों ने निगाहों से कहीं अरमानों की दास्तां है सेन्योरिटा ये चाहत की मोहब्बत की सारी दुनिया में एक ही जुबान है सेन्योरिटा मुझसे अब नजर ना फेरो
Wait, sir, come on. Now you have to fold one more. Fold it. Only one person can stand. You can lift your wife. Try. You can lift your wife or step on your husband. Yeah, we will give a prize. Who is going to win? We will give a prize for them. Yes. Recall all your old memories. Clap for them.
बाहों में तुम घेरो समझी ना सेन्योरिटा चाहत के दो पल भी मिल पाए
Cheer up, audience, cheer up.
ये भी कम है क्या दो पल को तो आओ खो जाए
Out.
पूरे
Adalit parents out. One more fold. One more fold. One more. You can hold your wife. Lift. Yeah, anyone can lift. Either husband or wife.
क्या सेन्योरिटा सुनो सुनो
Clap for them. No one should step out from the paper. Super, sir. You have to dance.
बस इतनी सी तो बात है
No desvíes la mirada, quédate cerca de mí.
मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो समझी ना सेन्योरिटा चाहत के दो पल
ಜೆಶಿಟಾ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲೇನು ಕೋಪ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಎತ್ತಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿದ್ರು ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
Practice of dancing at home, sir.
Thank you very much for the lovely parents. Thank you very much. Any of the other couples who wants to join this on the audience?
Lovely couples. Please come in. Come and join. Any parents? If you are not coming, I am going to call out the names. If you are not coming individually, I will call out the names. Tasha parent, Panchajanya parent, Nathan parent, Ayur parent, Ishan Verma parent, Lekshna parent. No one is coming.
Parikshit parent, Maurya's parent, Yuvan parent, Adira parent, Yutti parent, Trishant parent, Lishita parent, Adya parent, Arav parent, Jehana parent, Suvidya parent.
Just a
Ronit
dance,
parent.
no chart paper. I'll give a relaxation for these parents. And no gifts for these
Suvigya
parents. So just a dance. Tasha parents, I could see few of them. Arsha's parent, I could barely see some of the faces. Whoever is missed to call out, please join us. Lishita's parent, Anvik's parent, Isabella parent, Nanvi's parent. Who else? Amruta's parent, Gehena's parent, Adya's parent.
Which song you want? Your choice. Zubi Dubi? Or Senorita? Senorita? Zubi Dubi. Yeah.
गुनगुनाती है ये हवाएं
Cheer up.
गुनगुनाता है गगन
Make some noise.
गा रहा है ये सारा आलम
Zubidu Zubi pampara, zubi dubi parampam. Zubi nache.
Come on, audience, clap for them.
Zubi dubi pampara, zubi dubi parampam. Zubi dubi nache, you pagal stupid man.
शाखों पे पत्ते गा रहे हैं, फूलों पे भंवरे गा रहे,
दीवाने किरणे गा रहे हैं, ये पंछी गा रहे।
वो बगिया में दो फूलों की हो रही है गुफ्तगू, जैसा फिल्मों में होता है हो रहा है हूबहू।
आई 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 zubi dubi pampara, zubi dubi parampam.
Zubi dubi nache, क्यों पागल stupid man. Zubi dubi pampara, zubi dubi parampam. Zubi dubi nache, क्यों पागल stupid man.
Rim झिम सन 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 हवा, टिप 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 बूंदे गुर्राते बिट।
Clap for them, encourage them.
¿Quién eres tú? ¿Dónde has estado? He removido cielo y tierra y no te encontré. Y llegas hoy tan de repente y das sentido a toda mi vida con tu querer.
ना मैं समझा ना मैं जाना जो भी तुमने मुझसे कहा है सेन्योरिटा, मगर फिर भी न जाने क्यों
Anyone want to join? Come and
मुझे सुन
join.
के अच्छा लगा है सेन्योरिटा।
No desvíes la mirada, quédate cerca de mí.
मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो, समझी ना सेन्योरिटा। चाहत के दो पल भी मिल पाए, दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या, दो पल को तो आओ खो जाए, भूले हम होता हम है क्या सेन्योरिटा। सुनो सुनो सेन्योरिटा कहते हैं हम क्या।
Thank you, parents. Thank you so much. I will request all the parents for the photo. Please come and stand for the photo.
Next we have Bam Bam Bo. Ask parents to stand up on their stages, on their places.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. It's time to have some fun and dance together. Our nursery and Euro Junior children are ready to perform on the stage. Please get ready to join us for the lovely and joyful song Bam Bam Bole. Let's all gather on the stage and show everyone your happy smiles and amazing moves. Come on, let's get ready to shine. I would request all the parents to stand in their place and join us by performing. Everyone, stand in your place itself. I would request all the parents to stand in their place itself and join us by dancing. In your places itself. Are you all ready? Everyone, all grandmothers, grandparents, father, mother. I request teachers to join on the stage. You have to join us with the dance. The children who are going to perform, you have to do it as it is.
The teacher will be there to guide you. All of you, please stand up in their respective places.
చకరక చీచాచో చకలోరం గండో వండో లకరకటం అక్కో టక్కో ఇడిగిడి గిడిగో ఇడిపాయ్ విడిపాయ్ చికి చకచో గిలిగిలి మల్ సులుసులు మల్ మకనక హుకుబుకురే టుకుబుకురే చకలక బిక్కో చిక్కో సిలి సిలి సిలిగో బగడదుం జగడదుం చికి చకచో
देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई
Parents at the back have to dance. Follow the teacher. Come on.
देखो देखो
Come on. I
क्या
could
वो
not
पेड़
see the
है
parents dancing.
चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई बारिश है या आसमान ने छोड़ दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं हाँ हम जैसे देखे ये जहां है वैसा ही जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोचे आओ पंख जरा फैलाओ रंग नए बिखराओ चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले गमा पासा बम 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 बोले बम चिक बोले और मस्ती में डोले बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे भला मछलियां भी क्यों उड़ती नहीं ऐसे भी सोचो ना सोचो सूरज रोज नहाए या बाल भिगो के ये बुद्धू बनाए हमें ये सारे तारे टिमटिमाए या फिर गुस्से में कुछ बड़बड़ाते रहे खुल के सोचे आओ पंख जरा फैलाओ रंग नए बिखराओ चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले क्यों टैंकर फुल आंखें बंद तो डब्बा गुल ओए बंद दरवाजे खोल रे हो जा बिंदास बोल रे मैं भी हूँ तू भी है ओ मैं भी तू भी हम सब मिलके बम चिक बम 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 ऐसी रंगों भरी अपनी दुनिया है क्यों सोचो तो सोचो ना प्यार से चुन के इन रंगों को किसी ने सजाया ये संसार है जो इतनी सुंदर है अपनी दुनिया ऊपर वाला क्या कोई कलाकार है खुल के सोचे आओ पंख जरा फैलाओ रंग नए बिखराओ चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे
I would like all the parents to drop their phone and would like to dance on the places itself, on their places. I'm going to play once more. Same song. Drop all your phones and enjoy with your child.
देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है चादर ओढ़े क्या खड़ा कोई देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है चादर ओढ़े क्या खड़ा कोई बारिश है यार आसमान में छोड़ दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं अब जैसे देखे ये जहां है वैसा ही जैसी नजर अपनी तुझे सोचे आओ वक्त जरा फैलाओ रंग में बिखराओ चल 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 चलो नए मछलियां भी उड़ती नहीं ऐसे भी सोचो ना सोचो सूरज रोज नहाए या बाल भिगो के ये बुद्धू बनाए हमें ये सारे तारे या फिर गुस्से में कुछ बड़बड़ाते रहे तुझे सोचे आओ वक्त जरा फैलाओ रंग में बिखराओ चलो 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 और रखे तूने करबुल आंखें बंद कर डब्बा गुल दरवाजे खोल रे बोल जा बिंदास बोल रे ऐसी रंगों भरी अपनी दुनिया है क्यों
Wow, that's a mesmerizing performance. Thank you, children, and thank you, parents, for all the support. Please be seated on your respective seats.
Any parents wants to come and speak? Shall I pass the mic?
Yeah, hi everyone.
Hi.
This was one of the wonderful program My second kid, he has attended the first EuroKid annual day program and I had really enjoyed it. Yes, it has made my day and all the parents here. Thank you. Thanks EuroKid for making this arrangement.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Can anyone want to share your...
I'm Satish. I'm father of Abhishwa. My Abhishwa is my son. Actually, he was very introvert. He was been sitting at home most of the time actually, and for more than 2 years. My daughter, she's extremely extrovert, so we are literally worried whether he will gel with people or not. But thanks to EuroKids, not only in the program, even in the school, every teacher and every staff who are there, who are helping my kid to become more extrovert and mingle with people actually, and especially this program. Having 2 kids at home, it's all the parents who have 2 kids understand how painful it is to manage 2 kids, but they're managing more than 40 or 50 plus kids. It is not an easy job. An amazing job done by each and every teacher, management staff, principal ma'am and sir, also Sashi sir, has done a wonderful job, and thank you so much. And it is definitely a great and grand success to all of us, and thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Hi everyone.
Hi, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good
So my
afternoon.
name is Divya. I'm Nanvi's mother. So I hope everyone enjoyed here. So as a parent, like Mananvi is, I'm emotional actually. I'm not able to speak more. I thoroughly enjoyed, and this is her first annual day. So I think every parent's dream it will be like each and every steps and the growth they would like to see. And I don't want to talk much here. And I would like to thank Rupa ma'am and every staff here because. Nanvi was very cranky initially, like when she joined, camp.
Yeah, we know.
So they made her very comfortable, and she's very strong, and she's more active now, actually. So I would like to thank staff and Rupa ma'am, entire team, and all the best. So we would like to see more success, more to go, actually. So
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thank you for your
everyone
wishes.
here.
Thank you so much.
Tasha parents.
I'm Tasha's mom. My heartfelt thank you for each and every non-teaching staff, teachers, and the principal, and of course, sir. Tasha has had a little bit of health issues in between. We have changed 2 schools before this, and we are extremely happy with this management and school. They have been really helpful. My child has never had any issues in the school, and we are extremely happy with everyone working here. And it was a beautiful show. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Anyone?
I'm Karuna, I'm Daksh's mother. I never thought I'm gonna do this, but yeah. It's just been roughly about 20 days. Daksh got enrolled to EuroKids. So we recently moved to this area, so I had visited a couple other schools, don't want to take the name. But the moment I saw Rupa and her husband, I knew it, like this is the school where I should be enrolling my kid. I am surprised to see he was enjoying himself, right? So he got acquainted very well. And we really enjoyed. I was breathless as well because I was cheering up and I was dancing. So it's truly special to, see your kid performing. And kudos to all of you guys. We know we have spent so much time in training them. All the best. So this is the first year. And I hope and I believe like in the coming years, you're going to do even better. Yeah. Thank you all. Yeah, it was a lovely audience here as well.
Thank you, ma'am. Anyone?
Thank you, everyone. Thank you for your wishes. Now we have Atulit Charvi and Ekakshara from Euro Junior Kids for the vote of thanks. Please put your hands together for them.
Wow, what a performance. Didn't they do an amazing job, Becky? Absolutely. Let's give them another big round of applause. Tell him. Hey friend. Hi Atulit. How was your day? My day clearly आता. What was your favorite part today? I love all the performance. It came out beautifully. Yes, I too enjoyed a lot. I hope everyone enjoyed the program. Thank you for joining us today. You had as much fun as we did. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Chavi, Atulit, and Ekakshara. Thank you, children, for the lovely songs and dance.
We have a prize distribution based on our observations. Sorry, it is not biased, and I would like to thank all the parents who participated on the stage with a great enthusiasm, with a great sport. I would like to call Tasha's mother, Prayansh's mother, Jashika's mother, Parikshit as a couple, Ishan Verma as a couple. Ishan Verma, yeah. Jashika as a couple, Parikshit as a couple, Prayansh and Tasha.
Please give them a big round of applause. Prayansh mother, Jashika as a couple. Jashika parent. Thank you, ma'am. Now we have Jashika parents. Next, I would like to call Parikshit parents on the stage. Parikshit parents. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, both of you. Next, we have Ishan Verma parents on the stage. Thank you, both of you. Thank you, children, for the lovely songs and dance. We are sure some of will be humming some of the songs even later. Further, we would like to thank the parents for their support, teachers, staff, and the member who have helped in making teaching this program a huge success. Last but not the least, the technician, non-teaching staff, the decorator, and each and everyone for making this a memorable experience. Thank you, and have a nice, wonderful day ahead. Thank you, everyone.